Hey there, all these sad faces. It's time to smile again. Now that the TikTok is gone from the Indian market, but there is a good news coming from the Instagram. Yes, you heard me right. There is a good new feature from Instagram which is called as Instagram Reels. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get it real quickly. So let's get started. Well friends, it is very simple. If you want to get the Instagram Reels feature in your phone, then all you have to do is update your app to the latest version. If you are an iOS user or an Android user, just go to the App Store or Play Store and update your application to the latest version. And then all you have to do is open the Instagram app, tap on the top left corner of your Instagram application on this camera icon, and there you get the Reels feature. You have the regular live, story, and the third one is the Reels. And in here you can see we have this option of audio. You can select any of the audios and click on done, and there you can now record these amazing videos as you used to do on TikTok. So there you go friends, it's time that we should smile again and start recording the videos with the HD quality audios and become a star again. So friends, if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. This is DJ Kavish signing out. Yo.